county of Kakamega.
All right, so today Jubilee and NASA swapped strongholds, each side getting respectable turnout at all their rally venues, contrary to popular belief. The choice of the rally venues, the messages to be given at each of these venues, and even the choice of speakers are carefully choreographed by each side. Now, our senior political affairs reporter Duncan Khaemba now delves into the campaign strategies being employed by both Jubilee and NASA this year.
As campaigns for the eagerly awaited August general election gain momentum, ruling party Jubilee and opposition's main outfit, National Super Alliance, are employing different strategies to woo supporters across the country to ensure they bag that crucial vote. From the onset, Jubilee knew too well where to begin. To drive the point home, Jubilee has begun assigning its vocal cabinet secretaries to sell its agenda on vernacular radio stations. Last week, Cabinet Secretary for Water and Irrigation Eugene Wamalwa was on Mulembe FM to address the Luhya community, while Devolution CS Mwangi Kiunjuri appeared on Inoro FM to engage with the Central and Mount Kenya region supporters. Their energy and petroleum counterpart Charles Keter was on Kass FM targeting the Kalenjin community in the vast Rift Valley region, as Interior CS Joseph Nkaiseri went live on Mayan FM to preach to the Maasai community. Jacob Kaimenyi was on Muga FM as well. All this aimed at ensuring Jubilee's scorecard is effectively disseminated. Various adverts on GOK Delivers are also running on TV channels.
What the delivery unit in the website GOK Delivers is doing, we know the visuals through the TVs. A lot of people now watch TV. We know the FM stations reach out to a lot of people, including in their own languages. So some of those things will be even translated into their languages.
On their part, both the president and his deputy hit the ground running, pitching tent in regions perceived as NASA strongholds, the larger Kisii region and Western Kenya, confidently outlining the administration's achievements so far.
I think it should be very clear to the Kenyan people that Jubilee is using state resources so blatantly.
However, NASA is accusing the government of perpetuating impunity and abuse of office.
They say they're advertising. These are government bodies that are using state resources skewed to give the impression that this is purely a Jubilee affair. But we are also taxpayers. So they are using our money to advertise for their campaigns.
And our slogan now is, it can only get better. It can't get worse. Mbele iko sawa. Because we have laid the foundation. I think they have laid the foundation for takeoff. We can only take off. We can't go down. Now, unfortunately, our competitors have been trying to pull people down.
To counter their main rival Jubilee, the opposition has changed tact in their recent campaign rallies by launching different economic blueprints for specific regions. While in Kakamega 2 weeks ago, NASA principals launched the Western Region Investment Plan they believe will resuscitate the region's economy that is already crippled. Pastoralist Livelihood Investment and Promotion Marshall Plan is another economic blueprint they unveiled while in Isiolo County, a plan they intend to roll out in 29 counties from arid and semi-arid areas, which they say will bring to an end the perennial challenges and conflicts that face the counties. While in Makueni, the opposition again launched the Kenya Integrated Food Security Plan that is anchored on 10 pillars, which they believe will end the food crisis in the country.
Have some clear things that we want to do for the country. And in every part of the country that we go to, we will either be bringing out what we believe is important for them at a regional level, and in certain cases, we are bringing out what we think is critical for the nation. And here we intend to launch our manifesto, our coalition manifesto, on the 19th, so that we can communicate to the people.
Be that as it may, it remains to be seen whether the two main rivals, NASA and Jubilee, will conduct issue-based campaigns or will stick to personality and sensational politics. Duncan